During the haymaking season, when I received a visit from a neighbour around 8 o'clock at night, I guessed it could be important. And so it was. My neighbour had been baling when he'd struck something in the paddock, and his baler's pickup stopped rotating. He tried to repair it himself, but couldn't. He then asked if I could repair the clutch, which he'd already dismantled. He left me the repair manual, which didn't help one bit. It only showed the clutch as an assembly. With any job such as this, whilst it is a very urgent repair, I always take my time unpacking the parts. I treat it as a reverse engineering project or a new invention. At this stage of the proceedings, I never clean any of the parts. After all, dirt, grease and marks may indicate how the part failed. I carefully and slowly unwrap the black cloth to reveal a shaft with various attached components. I must emphasize again, this is the speed at which I work. Given a less urgent job, it could take even longer. After all, this is the most important stage. You cannot rush things. A shaft, shaped insert, shaped washer, a circlip. This rotor needs to be knocked off. Now for the box of components. But first I clean the working surface. A hub, sprocket, spring, detent, and then another. A broken hexagon-headed bolt. And the other part, even a cursory examination indicates that it failed through fatigue. Now I tried the detent in the hub. It seems a good fit in the profile. Then in the rotor, there's no way I can even compress one by hand. A second detent is put diametrically opposite to the first. It won't even hint to the hub. I'm constantly looking for any indicative wear marks to see if the overload clutch has worked. An assembly fixture is obviously going to be required.